Making decisions can often feel overwhelming, but Mel Robbins has a framework that simplifies the process. This system not only saves you hours of stress, but also helps you make better decisions quickly. Let's explore how this method can transform your decision-making skills. Have you ever made a decision that felt wrong initially, only to realize later it was the right choice? This is common because good decisions often challenge our comfort zones. Mel Robbins explains that our brains are wired to resist change, making beneficial choices feel uncomfortable at first. Understanding this can help you embrace the discomfort and trust the process. One of the key components of Mel Robbins' framework is the 10-second test. When faced with a decision, pause and count down from 10. This brief moment allows you to bypass overthinking and tap into your gut instinct. It is a simple yet powerful tool to access your inner wisdom and make decisions with clarity and confidence. Your instincts are more reliable than you might think. Mel Robbins emphasizes that our gut feelings are often rooted in subconscious knowledge. By learning to trust these instincts, you can make decisions with greater assurance. This framework encourages you to listen to your inner voice, leading to more confident and effective choices.